So this system works on the same principle as sonar. As you can see, I've drawn the same visual output of how my project would look. So this represents the sensor. Below it is the servo motor attached with several jumper wires onto the breadboard. This completes the circuit, and when codes are uploaded in it, it tells the computer like where the components are connected. The sensor sends ultrasonic waves through the sending, and it bounces off an object and are received by the receiver. It calculates the distance of an object by determining the time taken for the ultrasonic waves to come back to the receiver. So the components of my project are as follows: ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, breadboard, servo motor, and at last the USB connector. You can see I had already written the codes and saved it in my drive with the name of Arduino code. As you can see that nothing is in the way of the sensor, so the radar doesn't indicate anything. But as soon as supposingly put something in front of the sensor, it's denoted by the red block like there. And if I like remove it, the radar becomes normal. So for example, the red block, the object, thank you.